Alright, so here I'm just marking out my lines and basically cutting out the beam. It was like 52 inches. We do our notch post. So I'm going to try to turn the board as little as possible. So I'm going to make all the same cuts on the same side every time I can, so we can turn the board as little as possible. You always got to get a reciprocating saw to finish off the saw cut, unless you have the big 8-inch plus blade. And we're going to finish it off with that little thing right there. A little slow-mo action, hit the sauce. See the traps? I'm sorry, they're not traps, they're the wings. Alright, then we go picking up our beam, the first piece of our beam, and we're actually off. The supports on the left were blocking us. We couldn't get it all the way out to the left where we wanted to.
Completely out. Now you want to go in the middle. You probably don't have to smack that hard. Just smack the top. Go in the middle. Go in the middle so you don't break the board. And then just hit the top. Hold on. Not so hard. This whole deck is floating. Gently just... You want to twist the top. And I guess it'll matter now. We're out. Go ahead. Hit the bottom. This ain't falling on me, right? It's... I'll do it. Yeah. Now touch that fucking leg. Just the way you said it, dude. Yeah, hit it. I'll be over here. Alright, shush. You take that side. I haven't led you wrong yet. Yeah, no, I haven't. Got one in on my head already. I'll be a deck one. So, alright, so hold on. So now we're going to this is going to the center of this? Yeah. It really wasn't anybody's fault, by the way. I noticed a pattern. Yeah? Yeah.
Alright, I hope everybody had a good laugh on that one. We finally got the beam to where we needed to be. We got the right side where we needed to be. Alright, now we're going to do the true challenge. Now that we have our beam in place with our 3 columns, we are now going to take off all of our supports and see what happens. Alright, we're getting ready to see what happens. We're taking off all the structural support that was holding the deck up while we set the concrete and the columns. We didn't get that stuff done. We had somebody that was planning to come dig, so they were going to bring their machine to dig the holes for us. Kind of just worked out in our favor, saved us a little bit of time and energy. Now we're putting this back in place. Once we got that where it needed to be, we were able to cut a little notch right there, start marking the 16 on center with all the fasteners for the beam. We got the lag screws every 16 inches, doubled up. Hitting that, then we're gonna cut those off, cut the other side off, get the balls off.
Spider blades by Spider.
Shot out, and then basically wrap up for the day.